The iPad SP1 AED is a user-friendly, advanced device designed to assist responders in delivering prompt and effective treatment during sudden cardiac arrest incidents. Its intuitive features make it suitable for trained and untrained individuals, ensuring accessibility in various emergencies. The iPad SP1 is available in semi-automatic and fully automatic versions. The SP1 has a simple switch that allows users to toggle between adult and pediatric settings without changing the electrode pads. This feature streamlines the process, saving valuable time during emergencies involving children. The device comes with pre-connected electrode pads suitable for both adults and children. The pad indicator displays the remaining pad life and provides verbal instructions on how to replace or connect pads as needed. To ensure voice prompts are audible in noisy environments, the iPad SP1 automatically adjusts its volume up to 90 decibels, guaranteeing that instructions are heard regardless of the surrounding noise levels. The device features real-time CPR monitoring and provides metronome guidance to help maintain correct compression rates, enhancing the effectiveness of resuscitation efforts. Weighing approximately 2.4 kilos, the iPad SP1 is compact and lightweight, making it highly portable. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, and it boasts an IP55 rating for resistance against dust and water. The AED performs regular self-diagnostic tests, including daily, weekly and monthly checks, to ensure it's always ready for use. Indicators display the device's operational status, battery level and pad condition, alerting users to any issues that need attention. The iPad SP1 can store up to 5 individual treatment records, each up to 3 hours long. Data can be easily transferred via an SD card or PC communication for review and analysis. Included with the iPad SP1 are pre-connected dual adult and child electrode pads, disposable battery pack with up to 5 years standby life, sturdy carrying case for easy transportation, user manual and quick reference guide. Due to its reliability and ease of use, the iPad SP1 AED is widely adopted by emergency services, public access defibrillation schemes and various organisations. Its advanced features and thoughtful design make it an invaluable tool in improving survival rates from sudden cardiac arrests.